Before buying tires for your zero-turn mower, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's about traction on those tricky hills. You want to get it right to avoid frustrating slips and slides. Product number 1, MARASTAR flat-free tires. The MARASTAR 232 PK flat-free tire and wheel assembly caught my attention right away with its smooth tread design. Priced at $69.99, it offers a lot of value for those looking for hassle-free performance. If you want reliable traction without the risk of flats, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The universal fit means it will work with most zero-turn mowers, and the flat-free design eliminates the frustration of dealing with air pressure. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from over 5,900 reviews, you can trust that others have had a great experience. The smooth tread helps in easy turning without damaging your turf, allowing you to mow effectively on hilly terrain. Now, some people complained about the installation process being slightly tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it on, you won't have to worry about maintenance like you would with standard tires. So for those who want less hassle in the long run, this is a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a low-maintenance tire that can handle slopes without damaging your lawn. Skip this one if you have a very specific mower model that requires unique tire specifications. Overall, it's a solid value for the price. Now, if the installation concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its easy compatibility. Product number 2, Arami flat-free tires. The Arami 11X4005 lawn mower tires stood out to me for their universal fit and affordable price of $59.99. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance, this is worth a serious look. What makes these tires a good choice is their pre-assembled design with a universal adapter kit. This means you won't have to run around buying extra parts. The solid polyurethane foam construction is puncture-proof and maintenance-free, which is a huge relief if you're mowing on uneven ground. With a rating of 4.4 stars from nearly 1,000 reviews, many users appreciate its durability and ease of use. Now, some users mentioned that the tread could wear down quicker than expected. Here's the thing though, for the price, you're getting a reliable tire that won't let you down on the hills most of the time. It's a trade-off that many find worth it for the savings. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, hassle-free tire for your zero-turn mower that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something that lasts under heavy, frequent use. It's an excellent value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need enhanced traction. Product number 3, TRIPOWER Garden Tractor Tires. The TRIPOWER 24X12X12 garden tractor tires grabbed my attention due to their impressive traction capabilities and robust design, priced at $154.50. If you're looking for serious grip on hills, this is worth a serious look. These tires feature a special lug design that's 16 deep, which allows them to grip wet grass and slopes easily. With a stellar rating of 4.7 stars from over 400 reviews, users rave about the enhanced handling and stability they provide on uneven terrain. Some users did express concerns about the weight of these tires. Here's the thing though, while they are heavier, this actually contributes to better traction and control on hills, which is crucial for your safety and efficiency. This is perfect for you if you need rugged, high-capacity tires for steep hills. Skip this one if you have a lighter mower that doesn't require heavy-duty tires. For the quality, I think they're a fair investment. Now, if you're looking for something a bit lighter, the next option might be just what you need. Product number 4, Maxauto ATV Tires. The Maxauto AT18X958 ATV tires caught my attention for their versatility and durability, priced at $109.99 for a set of 2. If you need a tire that performs across various terrains, this is worth a serious look. These tires are designed with a heavy 6-ply construction that resists punctures and abrasions, making them suitable for hilly and uneven surfaces. Their aggressive tread pattern provides excellent traction in loose mud and grass, which is exactly what you need for navigating tricky hills. They boast a commendable 4.7-star rating from 110 reviews, indicating high user satisfaction. One downside noted by some users is that they can be a bit noisy on hard surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using them on grass or soft terrain, the noise won't be a big issue, and the traction benefits far outweigh this minor flaw. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile tire that performs well in various conditions. Skip this one if you mainly mow on hard surfaces. For the price, you're getting a solid product. Now, if you're looking for something truly unique, the next tire on my list might surprise you. Product number 5, Tweel-Turf Tire Assembly. The Tweel-Turf Tire Assembly caught my eye due to its innovative design, though it comes at a premium price of $979. If you're focused on cutting-edge technology for your mower, this is worth a serious look. What makes this tire stand out is its airless design, which eliminates the risk of flats entirely. This means you can mow confidently on hills without worrying about tire pressure. The unique design also provides a comfortable ride and excellent traction. However, the rating of 3.7 stars from just 4 reviews shows mixed feelings from users, likely due to the high price. Some users felt the price was too steep compared to traditional tires. Here's the thing though, if you're using your mower frequently and in tough conditions, the long-term savings on maintenance and peace of mind might justify the investment. This is perfect for you if you want the latest technology and don't mind spending extra for it. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only mow occasionally. If you're serious about your mowing, it's worth considering. Now that we've covered some solid options, let's recap the best choices for tackling those hilly terrains. To summarize, we've looked at the MARASTAR flat-free tires for maintenance-free ease, the Arami tires for budget-friendly reliability, the TRIPOWER for heavy-duty traction, the Max Auto for versatility, and the high-tech Tweel for innovation. Each has its strengths depending on your specific needs. Choose wisely and you'll conquer those hills effortlessly.